Hi, champions. How are you today? I'm back with week 8 of the Specials Continuous Learning Plan. I can't believe the end of the school year has arrived. It's amazing. We've done so many fun things this year. Kindergarten, first, and second grade are going to finish out the year creating rhythmic patterns using body percussion. Body percussion is things like snapping, clapping. You could even rub your hands back and forth. Any sound you can think of that you use your body to make is body percussion. I hope you have fun. You can use songs like Happy or Can't Stop the Feeling. Any of your favorite songs you can add body percussion to. Have fun making music with your body percussion. Third grade, fourth grade, and fifth grade, you are going to also work with rhythmic patterns, but you are going to be creating a cup routine. All you need is 2 cups. Remember, we've done some fun things in music before. How many of you remember Hiccup? Hiccup, buttercup, lies all night. Do you remember it? You can do things like that. So you're going to find a song that has 2 sections. 2 contrasting sections. So you will call one section A and you'll call the other section B. And you're going to create a repeating pattern. I hope you have fun. I can't wait to see you all again. And maybe I'll get to see some of you in the car when you come pick up your school supplies later this week. Either way, boys and girls, you are loved, and I think of you all the time. Have an amazing summer, and I cannot wait to see you again. Bye, everybody.